Hi there, welcome, and thanks for choosing Class Creative's Game Design Indie Game Development Flagship Masterclass. This Flagship Masterclass course will provide all the steps necessary to create a top-tier, elite-level indie game from start to finish, and how to market your game to yield the best results in the marketplace. We will cover the following core skill sets. Game research best practices in the creation process so that you can have a strong foundation for your game development. Understanding how to assemble a development team that will yield the best visual results and keep your game competitive with others in this trending space. Examples of game documentation planning so that you can develop a plan of attack and communicate the goals to your team members. Concept art process for characters, environments, and other necessary elements for a strong game blueprint. Best practices for character modeling and environment modeling utilizing the concept art planning phase to yield AAA quality assets. Rigging and animation best practices for compelling character movesets and gameplay. Gameplay camera best practices in theory. User interface and user experience considerations for mobile and console-based content. How to plan for various modes to keep your players engaged for years to come. Visual effects, sprite-based animation to give the game extra flair and polish. Sound design insight focusing on sound effects and music composition for the soundtrack for your game to keep it unique and memorable. We will also briefly cover game engines and some of the important aspects to consider when you start to implement your art assets. Lastly, we will cover the importance of marketing your game and all of the aspects necessary to have a successful launch, keep your players engaged, and how to monetize your game to its full potential. We'll be covering all the workflows and requirements that top-tier gaming studios of today use to create all of your favorite AAA titles. This course features an accredited university instructor who has over 15 years of game development experience for studios such as Naughty Dog, Guerrilla Games, Sucker Punch, Google, Disney, and more. We will cover everything necessary to learn how to create an indie game and how to market your game to the right audience with these lectures. Enroll today and begin your journey into the world of indie game development. We look forward to seeing you in class.